Have you ever wondered what the Earth is floating on? Or why does the Earth always go around the Sun? If you're curious about these things, watch this video. I'll explain it clearly. Look at the animation. You can see the Earth moving around the Sun. The Earth spins around itself. That's why we have day and night. At the same time, the Earth is also moving around the Sun. That's why we have a year. These two movements are called spinning, rotation, and going around the Sun, orbit. All the planets do this because the Sun's gravity is pulling on them. Here's the answer. The Sun's gravity is powerful, kind of like a giant magnet. It pulls on the Earth and keeps it moving around the Sun in a big circle. Think of space like a big blanket, and the Sun is like a heavy ball sitting on it. The ball makes a dent in the blanket, and the planets roll around in this dent. This is what scientists call gravity, and it works because of something called space-time, a kind of invisible fabric. A smart scientist named Einstein explained this idea, called general relativity, to help us understand how gravity works in space. Now, imagine space as a vast, empty expanse, nothing beneath the Earth. So, what keeps the Earth from flying away? Why doesn't it just fall into the Sun? That's a really interesting question. If gravity pulls Earth toward the Sun, why doesn't Earth crash into it? And if it's not gravity, then what is holding Earth in space? Earth spins around its axis, which is like it turning in place, while also moving around the Sun. That's why Earth stays in its path and doesn't drift away. The same thing happens with satellites. They go around Earth because Earth's gravity keeps them close. Imagine space is like a big trampoline. When something heavy, like the Sun, sits on the trampoline, it makes a dip or bend in the surface. This bend is like a curve in space. The Earth is like a ball rolling near that dip. Because of the dip, the Earth starts moving around the Sun, almost like it's orbiting or going in a circle. The Sun is really big and round, and it pulls on the Earth with something called gravity. This pull keeps the Earth close to the Sun so it doesn't fly away into space. That's why Earth goes around the Sun, because the Sun's gravity pulls it in a curved path. The force of gravity and the curvature of space around large objects like the Sun and Earth keep everything in place and moving in circular orbits. Let me know if you already knew this stuff. And if you like the explanation, tell your friends and share it.
Welcome to our channel. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote any illegal activities, and all contents in this channel is for educational purposes only. Our channel based videos promoting for educational tutorials, famous quotes of the world, biological, historical and geographical facts, genius stories and biography. Please follow or subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.